Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down the TV and any connected boxes. This prevents signal confusion. Once done, confirm which input currently shows the doubled image by cycling inputs with the remote. Make sure external devices are unplugged except the main source you want. If your TV has a picture-in-picture or dual-view mode, locate that menu now. This first stage removes competing signals and prepares the set for a clean resync of the chosen single input. Next, open the TV's input or source menu and actively select the single device you want displayed. Do not leave it on auto. Then navigate to Display Settings and explicitly turn off picture-in-picture, dual view, or any screen mirroring features. These create the double screen. Once those are off, use the TV's soft reset or the specific reset picture command to reinitialize the scaler. This forces the TV to resync to one correct resolution and timing from your chosen input. To finish, power cycle both the TV and the selected source together. This final handshake clears lingering state. If the double image persists, swap the HDMI cable and try a different port. Damaged cables or ports often duplicate output. Test with another device to isolate TV versus source. If needed, set the source device to the TV's native resolution or enable auto format. This aligns timing and stops the duplicate frame. If all else fails, contact support with model and firmware details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.